Hello YouTube viewers and welcome back to ITZsharky Arts. Today I am making a banner for, I've made a banner for ThermicFilly55's channel. Now the reason why he has this banner being made for him is because a while ago he reached out to me for a second time asking for feedback on his channel. And I was like, you know what, I'll do you one better and I will make you a channel review. And so then in addition to making him a channel review, I decided that as a little surprise, seeing that his stuff wasn't necessarily appealing, I decided to make him both a logo and a channel banner. Now the link to the channel logo, if you haven't seen it already, will also be down in the description. There also should be an iCard in the upper right if you want to click on that and check that one out first. But the way that I did his banner and his logo is I made the theme kind of flame based because his channel name is ThermicFilly55. Well, thermic makes me think of thermal, which you can associate with heat, so I used hot colors and flame to come up with the concepts behind both his logo and his banner. Although I did mess up on his banner a few times trying to get the right concepts that I wanted to use, it still ended up looking out nice, and each time I do take a look at his channel, seeing the way his logo and his banner match, makes me happy. Anyways, that's basically it for all the information on this. If you want to be notified or want to hear any other art related news that I have coming towards this channel, be sure to follow me on my art Twitter. The link to that will be down below, I believe. Also, the link to my Instagram will be down below, and this is the chance for you to see upcoming works before I post them and other things that won't get posted. And yeah, anyways, if you like the video or you like the concept of me doing all these graphics in a fast manner, I assume, then leave a like. Comment down if you like this concept that I've done for him, or maybe if you would like to see some other things like this. I like to keep any conversation in the comments. It's amazing. Share it with friends. Maybe they find stuff like this interesting or fascinating even. And why not check out other videos I have on my channel? I have a bunch of Speed GFX and logos. I even have some edits that I've done for Destiny, and there are more on the way. But yeah, anyways, my name is ITZsharky, and I'll see you all later. Enjoy the rest of the video.